Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.1 question 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the three more terms. This I have explained to you already. Two parts I have done in where we have covered up 6 sums are there. So if you go through that videos, then this will be clear to you. So in this video we are going to see the 7th, 8th and the 9th part of this sum. So we have to find whatever the series is given to us. We have to check whether it is AP or not. If it is AP, we have to write the D value and three more terms. So let's do the 7th part, then 8th and then the 9th part of this sum. So this we consider as A1, A2, A3 and A4. So from A2 we have to minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 we have to minus A3 and get the D value. So A2 minus A1 will give us minus 4 minus bracket A1 is 0. So which will give us minus 4, then minus 4 minus 0 will give us minus 4. So now let's do the second part, that is A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 8, so minus A2. A2 is minus 4. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 4 will give us minus 4. So D equal to A4 minus A3. So A4 is minus 12 minus, always the second term you write it inside the bracket, then you won't make any mistake, otherwise there is a prone to make mistake. So minus 12 minus into minus will become plus 8 will give us again minus 4. So all these are D value. So we found out D value. So everywhere the D value is the same. So that how we write? That is ANth plus 1 minus ANth is same every time. If you don't remember this, no problem. You just write D value. D value is same every time. Therefore, this forms an AP. So if this is an AP, we have to write D value. So D value is minus 4. So now what we have to do, if this is an AP, we have to find the next three terms. So that is A5 we have to find out because we have A4. So next three terms will be A5, A6, A7. So A5 to find out, we have to add with A4 the D value. So A4 is what? A4 is minus 12. So plus is here. D is minus 4. So minus 12 plus into minus minus 4 will give us, minus 12 here. Will give us, both are minus, so minus sign. Then you have to add them up, which will give us 12 plus 4 will give us 16. So this is our A5. So next A6. So A6 will be A5 plus D. So A5 is minus 16 plus D is minus 4, which will give us minus 16 plus into minus minus 4. So both are minus, so minus, add them. 16 plus 4 will give us 20. Then next A7. So A7 is A6 plus D. So A6 is minus 20 plus D is minus 4. So minus 20 plus into minus minus 4 will give us minus 24. So this is our answer for the 7th. Now let's see the 8th one. So now this we have to check whether it is AP or not. So A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. So let's first check whether it is AP or not. For that we have to find out D value. That is From A2 we have to minus A1. So A2 is minus 1 upon 2. Then minus A1 is, I told you always this term you write it inside the bracket. So A1 is 1 upon 2, which will give us minus 1 upon 2, minus into minus plus 1 upon 2. So since this is in minus, this is in plus, gets cancelled, we will get 0. So now next one, that is A3 minus A2. So A3 is again minus 1 upon 2 minus, it's also minus 1 upon 2. So this is minus 1 upon 2, minus into minus plus 1 upon 2. Gets cancelled, again we will get 0. So same way, if you see all the values are same only. So if you are doing A4 minus A3 also we'll be getting the same thing only. So let's not continue. So we'll write down this forms an AP. Since you can write like this also, D value comes to be same every time, therefore this given number forms an AP. So D value is what actually? D value is 0. Then now we have to get the next 3 terms. So to get next 3 terms, A4 is there. So A5. So for A5 we have to add with A4 plus D. So A4 is what? A4 is minus 1 upon 2 plus D is what? 0. So if you add with any number 0, you will get the same number. So same way A6. A6 will be A5 plus D. This is our A5. So A5 minus 1 upon 2. D is 0. Again we will get the same value. And then A7 also A6 plus D. So A6 is same number only. D is 0. So again we'll get the same value. So you see the question also all everywhere same. So A5, A6, A7 also we get the same value. So now let's do the 9th part of the sum. So this is 9th sum. So let's consider this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So to get that, we have to find out first, we have to check whether it is AP or not. So that means D is equal to, from A2 we will minus A1, then from A3 we will minus A2, then from A4 we will minus A3. So if we get everywhere same value, then this forms an AP. If not, this does not form an AP. So A2 is what? 3. Minus A1 is 1, which will give us 2. So A3 is 9 minus A2 is 3. So from 9 you minus 3, it will give us 6. So A4 is 27 minus A3 is 9. So from 27 you are minusing 9. So how much you will get? You will get 80. So now you see all the D values are different. So then this does not form an AP because n plus 1 is not same in every number. That's it. Thank you and God bless you. The remaining sums we'll see in the next video. God bless you.